ashamed to see my people dying from starvation. Africa is the richest place in the world. Diamonds and gold, billionaires and millionaires. And my people dying from starvation. I just want to know.
Not trying to get no
I just want to know
nothing whatsoever.
What you gonna do
no understanding
when your people dying
taking
from
place.
starvation.
All they're doing is talking.
What you gonna
Keep
do?
on talking. And they
Black
are
man.
not really thinking. They be saying the white man came from here, the Chinese come from here, the Indian come from here, but they're not thinking, they're not giving you any story. How do they come in
My people
existence?
dying, and they dying from starvation. What you gonna do about that situation? What you gonna do about that situation? Your people dying, and they dying from starvation. They ain't
How
got no
these
food,
people come in existence?
and they ain't got no food.
Everybody know how the people come in existence. Everybody know. Only 1 and 2 people does not know about that. How do the white men come in existence? How do the Chinese come in existence? How do the Indian come in existence? And everybody's talking. The black man is the original man. What do you mean is the original? There was no other man before him. Okay, there was no other man before him. So that make him to be the original man. So how do these other men come in existence? I got something I want you to see, because I had a bird that I caught from the wild, and they are green. They call parakeets, or you can call them budgies. The word in England is budgies, or an American budgies. In the wild, only bird exists is the green. No other color. No other color. But by interference in captivity, we get other color. So I take the green bird to represent the black man, the male and the female, and show you what comes out of those 2 green birds in captivity with the interference of man doing. So as I go along, if you can find something better than what I'm saying, you must send me an email, because we already know there's no yellow budgies in the wild, there is no blue, there is no yellow, white, and gray, and no mixed colors, no matter where you go. No mixed colors. So what I present to you, it will be the facts that those people that I'm talking about came from the woolly man. You want to call him black, you want to call him Negro, but he is the woolly man, and every other man came from him with interference of his doing. So as we go along, we will see that. So stop letting people fool you. Fool your mind and your thought and your ideas. Don't let them fool it. Okay? So let's begin at the beginning. As they say, beginning. But remember, when you use the word beginning, that means you're putting a time on that word. As you would not use that word beginning. There's a time on it. Light time or dark time. Or if you want to put years or minutes or hours. But once you use that word beginning, You're putting time to it. Yes. Yes, as you see those birds that were showing you, those are the parakeet. The green ones are from the wild. And the color of the blue, white and yellow and gray came from the green. There is no green, no blue, no yellow, no white, and no gray in the wild. That's amazing to see that these green birds can give you the color of these other birds. Yes. They can give you the color of other birds. This is amazing. The black man is the same. The black man is the original black man. And he is the man that produces all the other colors of the people. See the green bird? The green bird is the black man, the woolly man. And the woolly man produces these birds right here. And this is my experiment to show you that the woolly man, the black man, is the green bird that produce all the other colored birds. White, blue, gray, yellow, and mixed color. That's the same with the black man. The black man is the original man. Everybody talking and no one is trying to seek nothing out. Now, you have not seen this before I do this. In the wild, there is no white parakeets, no yellow parakeets, no blue parakeets, no green. Only in the wild is the green. It's amazing. Man put them in captivity with interference and caused the other colors to come in existence. Same with the black man. They go with the beast with interference and cause the other race of people to come in existence. Now, this is the proof that I have that all other men came from the black man. Chinese, Indian, Syrian, Jews as you call them, the white man, the limey, the slimy, the Anglo-Saxon, they all came from the black man with interference. Now, you don't need to be a science rocket smart man to know this. All you have to do is study. Also, other beasts came from other beasts with interference. Also, other birds come in existence with interference. As I stated here, you can see of your own eyes. You can see that there is no white bird in the wild, and there is no blue, no yellow, and no mixed colors. They all come in existence with interference of the men doing from the green. You see the green one here, the boy and the girl? But they have all the color within them. Blue, yellow, green, violet, black. All the colors are in this bird. As you can see, I show you that all the colors are in. All you need to do is look with your own eyes. If you look on the side of the cheek, you could see the violet. In dark places, it becomes a light. Now, it's amazing. So we are not guessing, and we are not trying to believe that this happened. I'm showing you that it's work. And when you don't know things, that's the problem. When you don't know things, that's the problem we have. We are trying to believe and believe is not a proof of anything. You can believe as much as you want to. Believe as much as you want to. Believe is not a proof. The proof is what I'm showing you here. I'm showing you that from the green bird, which we call parakeets, these four colors come in existence. Yellow, white, blue, gray, and also mixed colors. Now, it's amazing because in the wild, that will not take place. That will not take place. But man is so smart that in captivity, all these other colors come with interference. Follow me? With interference, all these colors come. So, instance, the green bird represents the woolly man. And with the interference of the woolly man, he brings forth these other colors of the other men that we have. The red man, the yellow man, and the Chinese man is what you want to call them. From these two green that the black man represent, those represent the black man. Are you following me? But when he was by himself, he were not mingling with the beasts. He were not, because he was small enough to stay away from them. But he started to mingle with them and bring forth interference. Maybe this is going to be hard for someone to understand or comprehend what I'm saying. Long time ago, in time and time, I cannot put any years like 5 million, 20 million, because in those times there was no year, there was no months, there was no minutes, and there was no hours. It was only time. In that time,